Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your PhotoMath subscription. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I've compiled a few different ways to do this. So for Android, iOS device users, and if you're using the website, so I'll quickly run over the Apple App Store. So what you want to do for iOS device users, open up settings, tap on your name at the top to access your Apple ID settings. Tap on subscriptions and then locate and select the photo subscription, and then click cancel subscription and confirm your choice. And if you're on an Android device like myself, what you want to do is open up your Play Store and then click onto your user profile on the top right hand corner of the screen here. Click on payments and subscriptions, find subscriptions, and then find a PhotoMath subscription here. Click onto it and cancel it. And the last way here is via the website. So you want to go to the PhotoMath website and log into your account. Click on your profile icon or name and go to account or subscription settings, and then find the section related to subscriptions, and then click on the option to cancel your subscription and follow the on-screen prompts. You should then receive a confirmation email or notification indicating that your subscription has been cancelled. And also ensure you cancel for the next billing cycle to avoid further charges on your account.